Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT on iPhone, so let's jump right into it. First, open App Store and search for ChatGPT. You will find many fake apps. Make sure you find the official one by OpenAI and tap on download. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Now from here, choose whether you want to sign up if you don't have an account or log in if you have one. I don't have one, so I'm going to sign up using Google. I will have to provide my Gmail. Tap on next. Give myself a password. Tap on next. From here, it will ask me for more information about myself, like my name and birthday. I fill them up and tap on continue. It will ask for my phone number. I type it in and tap on send code. It will send me a verification code, so I have to type it here and tap on done. Wait for a second, and I will have access to the application just like that. Tap on continue, tap in the bottom right here, and I can ask it whatever I want, and it will answer me easily, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.